In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert USDT to Ton coin in Binance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Binance has a feature that allows users to transfer various different cryptocurrencies into other ones, including, of course, USDT to Ton. So all that you have to do to use this feature is to go over to your wallet or portfolio, so tap the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and in here you should be able to find your USDT. I recommend doing this process by going over to your wallet first and then tapping on USDT. When you select USDT, you will be able to see the amount, see the graph over here, see the history of how much you have earned and sold or lost, and of course, you will find the options to convert and earn. All that you have to do is choose Convert. This will allow you to swap USDT into other cryptocurrencies available on Binance. Immediately upon tapping Convert, you can customize this. So USDT will be selected by default. You can then input the amount that you want to swap. You can tap Max to use everything that you have included on your portfolio, and then you can choose into which asset you want to convert it to. So over here, just swap it to Ton coin. Immediately upon doing this, you will be good to go. So first, make sure that the swap is correct from USDT to Ton. Then check the amount that you want to convert, and as long as everything is good to go, tap trade at the bottom. This will start the swap. You will be able to confirm the type of swap, the transaction fees that might be included, and then the rate in which this will be done. So make sure that you are aware of any possible fees here. And as long as you confirm this order from USDT to Ton coin or any other asset, you will be good to go to make this transfer through Binance. You can repeat this as many times as you wish, and it is going to be added directly into your Binance portfolio or wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to convert USDT to Ton coin in Binance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.